Tune ground, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa is at spot 1. We will be doing closed traffic. We'll need a run up. We have information, Foxtrot.
November 972 Delta Papa, John Tune ground, good morning. Taxiway along Romeo 1 to the run up area, hold short taxiway Alpha.
Taxi via Romeo 1 to the runway area, hold short of Alpha 2 Delta Papa.
Good.
All right. Tune Tower, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa, holding short runway 2, ready for takeoff.
Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa, John Tune Tower, runway 2, cleared for takeoff, make left traffic.
Runway 2, clear for takeoff, left traffic, 2 Delta Papa.
November 5 Papa Lima, contact mass departure, safe flight.
Very good, go ahead and turn on your landing lights.
Yes, thank you.
We're clear on final.
Yes.
Clear. And runway 2 is identified. All right.
Airspeed's alive. Gauge is in the green.
Very good.
55.
Nice.
Picture 80. Nice and smooth.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So, for you to get this requirement done, you can't do touch and goes. Must be full stops.
Must be full stop taxi back.
Right.
Tune Tower, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa's midfield downwind for runway 2.
November 972 Delta Papa, stay type landing.
It'll be touch and go.
972 Delta Papa, runway 2, clear touch and go.
Clear for touch and go, runway 2, 2 Delta Papa. All right. Waited a little too long there, but
Very good.
need to get our landing clearance first.
If you want to do a full stop taxi back instead of a touch and go,
Number 61 Kilo Bravo, John Tune
unless
ground,
you
ID
feel
loud
like
and
you
clear,
have a
Hemi.
strong grasp on the full stop taxi back already.
That's
61 Kilo
true.
Bravo, clear to the Smyrna Airport via radar vector, send us filed. On departure, fly runway heading. Maintain 3000. Departure frequency 119.35. Squawk 5554.
Yeah, we'll just let her know here in a second.
Sounds good.
As soon as I get my base turn figured
Number
out.
61 Kilo Bravo, reback correct runway 2, taxi Romeo 3 Alpha.
Man, this is just gorgeous.
It really is.
Get too slow there.
Okay.
Is that fog thick enough to be IMC?
It's skirting on the edges.
Hopefully it burns off. Doesn't get thicker.
61 Kilo Bravo's holding short at Alpha 1 at runway 2. Ready to holding in sequence, ready to go. 61 Kilo Bravo.
November 61 Kilo Bravo, John Tune Tower, hold short runway 2.
We're holding short, runway 261 Kilo Bravo.
Nice.
It was a little flat, but
Oh, flat, but I like that.
nice and
Good
soft.
land. Was
On center line.
on center line and safe, right? We're not skidding all over the place. Didn't lose control of the aircraft.
Yep.
Control all the way is what I'm looking for. The flare will work on later, but I like it.
Tune Tower, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa, holding short of runway 2, ready for takeoff.
Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa, John Tune Tower, runway 2, cleared for takeoff, make left traffic.
Clear for takeoff, runway 2, left traffic, 2 Delta Papa.
Good. Awesome. Yep. I like that briefing a lot. Always say it to yourself. And, you know, it's nice you have cameras. Imagine you're flying with your audience.
Yeah.
So talk to them, right? Just
Yeah.
like you talk to me through everything. Airspeed engine gauges.
Airspeed's alive. And gauge is still in the green. Pitch for 80. This plane actually doesn't need a whole lot of right rudder.
No, I think the factory rudder trim has been set very, very well.
Tune Tower, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa is midfield downwind from runway 2.
972 Delta Papa, runway 2, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option, runway 2. This will actually be a full stop to Delta Papa.
Delta Papa, roger.
Good.
Starting to get a little bit of fall color.
Yeah.
Just a tiny bit.
The leads are changing.
Airspeed. Don't know what that's all about.
Good. I like the way you're continually scanning that airspeed throughout the turn. That's important.
Pitch for 70. Floated a little bit there.
Nice. Very good.
I like that.
I like that one a lot.
Might be one of my best landings.
I think so as well. That was very, very good.
It's more on the mains.
Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely. I like the transition from the round out to the flare. Good pitch angle.
Just gonna talk to myself like a crazy person. 'Cause that's what you gotta do. All right, we're spot one. Tune ground, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa is at spot one. We'll be doing closed traffic, 3 full stop, taxi backs, student pilot first solo. We have information, Foxtrot.
November 972 Delta Papa, taxi along Romeo 1. Do you require a quick run-up?
A-firm, wouldn't hurt.
November 972 Delta Papa, Roger. You can execute your run-up in the run-up area. Advise when you're complete.
We'll advise when run-up is complete, 2 Delta Papa.
November 7 Tango Delta, advise when your run-up is complete.
I will be 7 Tango Delta.
Tune grounds, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa, run-up complete.
November 972 Delta Papa, runway 2, taxi via Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha to runway 2, 2 Delta Papa.
And November 67 Lima Papa, I do have a couple of aircraft in the run-up area. And
Tune tower, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa, holding short of runway 2, ready for takeoff.
November 972 Delta Papa, runway 2, cleared for takeoff, make left traffic.
Clear for takeoff, runway 2, left traffic, 2 Delta Papa. All right, double check, everything is secure. Yep, all right. Here goes nothing. Completed checklists. And runway numbers affirmed. Here we go.
John Tune Tower, Skyhawk, November 19650, holding short runway 2, Alpha 1, ready for takeoff.
Airspeed's alive. Gauge is in the green. 55, rotate. You're flying a fucking plane by yourself. Don't fuck it up. Pitch ready. Oh wow, I can already see the climb performance difference. This is insane. Watch your airspeed, 80. That's our field to land if we lose power.
November 19650, down Tune Tower, runway 2, cleared for takeoff. Traffic on the upwind is a Cessna, making left close traffic.
Runway 2, cleared for takeoff, looking for the traffic, make left traffic 19650.
And November 177 Tango Delta, remain outside the Class Charlie airspace. And if you'd like entrance in, you can contact Nashville 119.35. Safe flight.
Will do, thanks. See you in a little bit. 7 Tango Delta.
Tune Tower, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa, midfield downwind for runway 2.
November 972 Delta Papa, runway 2, clear to land, wind calm.
Clear to land, runway 2, 2 Delta Papa.
November 19650, you gonna be going more northeast today?
Yeah, northbound for Springfield Robertson County Airport, 19650.
Car Pete.
November 19650,
Reduce power.
upon exiting the Delta surface area to the north-northwest. Frequency changes approved, safe flight.
And the arc.
Frequency change approved, thank you, 19650.
Flaps 10. Pitch for 75 to 80. A little too aggressive on that correction there. 70 knots. One red. Get two in there, come on. Center line. Don't get too slow. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Bleed that speed off, come on. Oh, we're gonna bubble a little bit because we're light. Come on. Not too bad. Get back on the center line.
November 972 Delta Papa, turn right when able, taxi back runway 2 via Alpha.
Right on Alpha 3, taxi back to runway 2 via Alpha, 2 Delta Papa. Afterland, flaps up. Carb heat. Strobes no factor. Landing light is off. And pitot heat is off. And trim set back to take off. Transponder 1200, altitude, good to go. She gave me clearance to taxi, so we're gonna taxi. All right, here we go. We are on tower. Tune Tower, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa, holding short of runway 2, ready for takeoff.
Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa, runway 2, cleared for takeoff, make left traffic.
Clear for takeoff, runway 2, left traffic, 2 Delta Papa. Airspeed's alive. Gauge is still in the green. Pitch for 80. That's a little much.
John Tune Tower 42, Premier 42 Sierra Charlie is a visual for runway 2.
And 42 Sierra Charlie, down to tower, safe position.
Looks like probably coming up right on a 10-mile final for 2.
Number 2 Sierra Charlie, report a 4-mile final for runway 2, wind calm.
We'll report a 4-mile final for 242 Sierra Charlie.
Number 210 Echo Charlie, John 2, ground clear to the Golf Charlie Yankee Airport via radar vectors, then as filed. Upon departure, fly runway heading, maintain 3,000, expect 15,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 119.35, squawk 1343. November 0 Echo Charlie, read back correct, 5 grand taxi. November 972 Delta Papa, you're calling a Premier Jet on a 3.5-mile final for runway 2. Report traffic in sight when able.
We'll report traffic inside when able to Delta Papa. All right, where is he? Traffic inside to Delta Papa.
November 2 Delta Papa, runway 2, number 2, clear to land.
Number 2 cleared to land, runway 2 to Delta Papa. Tracking good. Speed's good. Redeem the numbers. Reduce power. And the arc, flaps 10. Picture 80, 75 to 80. And did he land already? Where is he at? Oh, there he is. 205. Back over a little bit. There we go. $65.
November 972 Delta Papa, turn right taxiway Alpha, taxi back runway 2 via Alpha.
Taxi back to runway 2 via Alpha to Delta Papa. I like that landing a lot. That was butter. That was freaking butter. Held that nose wheel up too. Don't get cocky though. Next one's gonna probably suck. Don't forget your checklist, dude. Tune Tower, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa, holding short of runway 2, ready for takeoff.
November 972 Delta Papa, John Tune Tower, runway 2, cleared for takeoff, make left traffic.
Clear for takeoff, runway 2, left traffic, to Delta Papa. Approach sector clear. Runway numbers affirmed. Actually, those are dead. Runway 2. All right, here we go. Airspeed's alive. Gauge is in the green. Rotate. Pitch for 80. Don't need that much right rudder.
November 972 Delta Papa, runway 2, clear to land, wind calm.
Clear to land, runway 2 Delta Papa. 200 on the nose. All right. Flaps 10 degrees. $75 to 80. Back on runway, heading 200. And get us on center line. There's 70. Looking good. Hello, towboat. $70. Just one red, or 3 red, 1 white. Back up. Catch up to the glide slope. There it is, there it is. All right, now we're good. Now we're looking good. Come on, get down in there. And power idle. Here's that ground effect. We'll bump there. Nice and steady. Ground effect. Come on, floating down a little bit. Bleed it off, bleed it off, bleed it off. Oh, come on. A little bit of a porpoise, not too bad.
Tune Tower, Skyhawk 19650, midfield, left downwind, runway 2.
Skyhawk 19650, runway 2, clear to land, wind calm.
Runway 2, clear to land, wind calm, 19650.
Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa, was that your last one?
Affirm, that was the last one, 2 Delta Papa.
November 2 Delta Papa, you can contact ground 121.7. Great job.
Thank you. We'll contact ground 121.7, 2 Delta Papa. Clear the runway. Tune ground, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa is on Alpha 3, ready to taxi back to the hangars.
Delta 972 Delta Papa, John Tune ground, you can taxi back to parking via Alpha and Romeo 3.
Taxi back to parking via Alpha Romeo 3, 2 Delta Papa.
It's like, it's not as crazy as you think it's gonna be. It's fun. It's tough.
It's extremely gratifying to watch someone's progression, not knowing how to pilot at all, into becoming their own pilot, right? I'm not teaching them just how to fly like me, they're developing their own style of flying. So it's nice to watch someone grow in that aspect. And it's very, very gratifying. So I couldn't be more proud of him. It's really up to Steve, and it's his accomplishment all the way.